Okay, hi. I know you like my hair. This is the real cinnamon, so let's see. Oops.
Hurry up.
Alright. I'm gonna put all this in my mouth. Hopefully, I'll live.
Scoot back.
Okay. Okay.
Try to move.
Hold on.
Go, hurry up, man. You want some water? Okay, that's like nasty. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's gonna be my turn.